What you gonna?
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is tobiokes and if you are returning, welcome back. It is me. Today's makeup routine is going to be a bit different just because we are in the month of Feb, and you know the month of Feb is about love. It's about everything to do with love, everything to do with couples and all of that, you know, but it's fine. So today I thought that it would be right to treat myself and to treat you guys to a Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial and just a makeup routine. I'm basically going to be doing a new makeup routine anyways, so I don't think it's going to be similar to my makeup routine now, my everyday makeup routine. Make sure you like this video already, make sure you comment down below, and make sure you turn your post notifications on so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. And let's get into the video. Let's not even waste any time because I want to get started and I want to look not like I just got out of bed. Let's get into it. So firstly, what you have to do to achieve this look is you have to be wearing a headband to push your hair back, or you can hold your hair, but I like to hold my hair back. I have this headband on by the
Audrée collection.
Link down below, and it will be showing up on screen where you can get your headbands, you can get lashes, you can get a beauty watch, which I'll be showing you later on in this video, and you can just get a lot of other things. I will advise you to shop from there. And I know some of you on Twitter, when I posted this picture, a lot of you were asking where I got the headband, and I told you that it's from the Audrée collection, so go shop at the Audrée collection now down below. So the first thing you have to do is make sure your lips are moisturized. My lips are moisturized, but I'm just gonna go in again. Then we are going to start on the brows first. I usually start on my brows first just because I like to get it out of the way, and that's the thing for me, that if it doesn't come out right, then my whole look is destroyed. So firstly, what I like to do for the brows, let me just take this off. Like, this is cute and all, but not practical. This is just a hair store eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. So I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows and then get back to you. I don't really do much to them but fill in the ends, like literally always. I could really skip past the eyebrow routine, but some of you might be new, so this is how I do my eyebrows. Hi, and I'm Toby. Oh, and make sure you've moisturized your face already. This is why my face is glistening like this. That, and I have oily skin, but this is why it's glistening, so make sure you moisturize. Sunscreen as well. That. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be taking the Audrée collection beauty watch, which I was telling you about. This is how it comes. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so sleek. It's giving new iPhone vibes, like the iPhone 37. This is how it comes in this sleek packaging. And now I'm just going to take it off. It comes with an easy thing so that you can just take it off, and then we have the beauty watch inside of the others. But this is basically just a card that tells you how to use the beauty watch. It says,
Audrée.
Lashes speak louder than words. It says how to use. First, slap it on your wrist. Step 2, apply your product. And step 3, keep the stains away. Easy as 1, 2, 3. You all know me, you know I like to use wipes to just wipe everything off. So this is literally the perfect thing to stop you from doing that and stop you from wasting wipes, therefore saving the environment. I'm going to take this out and you literally just slap it on your wrist. I've tried this before. Don't be scared of it. It does not pain. So you literally just get your wrist and slap it, and it literally just wraps around your wrist, which is perfect. Maybe I should have put it on the other side because I'm left-handed, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna take this, but yeah. So putting it on the beauty watch and then do my brows. See how much cleaner the brow looks now. Okay, so the brows are finished. I did a bit on camera and then I took it off camera because if I decided to do everything on camera, it might not come out great. But literally all I did is I took Fawn underneath my eyebrows. And I took Chestnut over my eyebrows, and then I just blended it out with this buffing brush that's actually supposed to be for eyeshadow, but I use it for concealer because it's literally amazing and one of my favorite brushes. I'm going to use the Revolution Matte Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. Shake it a bit, spray it on my face. I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer in C14.5 and then just take it under my eyes. I'm going to wait a bit and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to take this and I'm going to blend it out. It doesn't have to look perfect as long as it's all blended out. I like to get onto foundation and everything straight away. I'm just going to spray more of this matte fix spray and then I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade 13.2. So I just put it wherever I haven't put the concealer. And that is that. So now that that is done, I take the MUA Ultra Fine Loose Setting Powder. I'm just going to use a bit of this powder and I'm going to set my eyelids. While the powder is still on my eyelid, I'm just going to take the Fawn. I'm just going to squeeze some of this out and put it on the places that I want to highlight. Then I wait for the Fawn to dry a bit before I go in and blend it out. Okay, now before we contour, I'm just going to press in the powder that I put on my eyelids finally, because that's how your eyelids will stay matte. For contour, it's actually a powdered foundation in F16. Just focus it on the areas that I contour usually. I go for my eyebrow and, as you can see, make the V-line. I literally just leave it. Just taking the same powder that I used before and just put it on my face. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette. It's the only palette that I have with these shades that I can use for the Valentine's Day look. To start us off, I will be taking this red shade. I'm literally going to be putting that on the edge of my eyebrows and like literally like everywhere basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the same red again just so that you can actually see the colour. This sounds looking. So I'm going to take the black shade. I'm going to take, first of all, let's take Vindicate up here and spread it on the ends like I did, but this time I'm using the brush where I use blacks and stuff and blend it. Now it's time for the dark colours because yeah, you've made your eyes pop. We're going to dip into Unleashed on this palette, the Revolution, and we're going to dip into the black on the 35B palette. We're going to leave it there so that we can blend this out and then come back to the eye. So now I'm going to take the Maybelline All Day eyeliner and I'm just going to follow the bottom part of my eyes out. I'm not going to complain because it doesn't look that bad. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Audrée collection in the style Tokyo. They are literally so cute. I put it on the inside of the lash and not the top of the lash. You know, like when you get your lashes done, that's the look that these lashes give you after they've been put on. These are very cute. And then I take the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette again and these three that I use as my blush. Take all 3 shades and then I just take it along. Okay, so that's what I do. I take this dark brown pencil and I'm just going to line my lips, and then I'm just going to be showing you the products that I use as I fast forward through this process. For the lips, we're gonna take coal and just do my under eyes like that. And now I'm gonna take the red that I was using before. It looks cuter and more visible. And now what I like to do is I like to add beauty spots with the fast stroke eyeliner. So to finish off, I take the highlighter. Yeah, I do some there and there. I will be back with you in the next clip, but this is all for the face stuff. So this is the finished look. I have slicked back my hair a bit. I've put in the Valentine's Day inspired earrings, Valentine's Day inspired necklace with the heart, the matching bracelet and the matching ring. I was going to give myself like a short curl type of look, but I could not find my colour, so we moved. Don't I look cute? But yeah, so that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what other looks you would like to see me try and like to see me do. That is all. Make sure to like, make sure to comment down below, make sure to turn your post notifications on so that you're notified whenever I post a new video, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel and let's continue to grow. Thank you everyone, wishing you happiness as always, and I will see you in my next video.